Hello.
Hi.
How are you? How are you?
I am good. Thanks, how about you? I am good. Thanks, how about you?
I am also good. I am also good.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from India. I am from India.
That's interesting. By the way, what do you do for living? That's interesting. By the way, what do you do for living?
I am a student. I am a student.
Oh, nice. Where do you go to study? Oh, nice. Where do you go to study?
I go to college. I go to college.
What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy playing football. I enjoy playing football.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 4 siblings. Yes, I have 4 siblings.
How was your weekend? How was your weekend?
It was great. I went to watch movie. It was great. I went to watch movie.
Have you seen the latest movie? Have you seen the latest movie?
Yes, I loved it. Yes, I loved it.
Do you listen music? Do you listen music?
Yes, I love to listen music. Yes, I love to listen music.
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
I love to listen romantic music. I love to listen romantic music.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
I love Italian food, mean lasagna. I love Italian food, mean lasagna.
Can I get you something to drink? Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, please. I'll have coffee. Yes, please. I'll have coffee.
Do you have any plans for tonight? Do you have any plans for tonight?
I am going out with friends. I am going out with friends.
What's the weather do you like outside? What's the weather do you like outside?
I like cold weather. I like cold weather.
I heard, it might snow later. I heard, it might snow later.
How's your family doing? How's your family doing?
They are doing well, thanks for asking. They are doing well, thanks for asking.
What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book?
I am not much of a reader. I am not much of a reader.
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
Usually, I play football and watch movies. Usually, I play football and watch movies.
What's your dream vacation country? What's your dream vacation country?
I'd love to visit Italy. I'd love to visit Italy.
How do you stay in shape? How do you stay in shape?
I go to the gym regularly. I go to the gym regularly.
Are you a morning person or a night owl? Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am more of a morning person. I am more of a morning person.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
No, but I would love to have a dog. No, but I would love to have a dog.
How do you handle stress? How do you handle stress?
I meditate to relax. I meditate to relax.
Have you ever traveled abroad? Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to London once. Yes, I have been to London once.
What's your favorite type of cuisine? What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I keep trying different dishes. I keep trying different dishes.
Do you cook at home? Do you cook at home?
Yes, I love cooking. Yes, I love cooking.
What's your favorite childhood memory? What's your favorite childhood memory?
I have fond memories of my school days. I have fond memories of my school days.
How do you stay motivated at work? How do you stay motivated at work?
I set goals for myself. I set goals for myself.
Have you ever been to a live performance? Have you ever been to a live performance?
No, but I'd like to experience it. No, but I'd like to experience it.
Do you have any upcoming plans? Do you have any upcoming plans?
I am going on a trip next month. I am going on a trip next month.
What's the most challenging thing you have done? What's the most challenging thing you have done?
I haven't faced major challenges yet. I haven't faced major challenges yet.
What's your favorite quote or motto? What's your favorite quote or motto?
Live in the moment. Live in the moment.
Do you have any hidden talents? Do you have any hidden talents?
I can dance surprisingly well. I can dance surprisingly well.